Hello and welcome to the Blender Hobbyist. In this video I'm going to continue with window menu, and I'm going to show you how to toggle full screen. If you go to window menu and click toggle window full screen, you can see your uh, Blender will be full screen. But sometimes you do that unintendedly and you wanted to see your window, or you wanted to close your Blender. Go to window and toggle window full screen, and now you can close your Blender, and you can see your bar in the bottom. That's all that's useful, and I think I'm going to continue my video with full screen. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button and subscribe my channel.